Are you a business owner looking to make a lasting impression with every email you send? Discover how to perfect your email signature with our expert guide. Start creating an email signature by including contact information. A standard email signature used in business contexts contains the sender's full name, position in the company, means of communication with the company or sender, and more. Add social media icons with links. Social networks are excellent tools for increasing brand awareness, brand loyalty, communication, and thought leadership establishment. That is why links to specific profiles should be included in the email signature, allowing recipients to not only read them, but also to subscribe. Implement visuals and calls to action in your email signature, as adding eye-catching visuals is a great way to draw recipients' attention to your email signature. These commonly include colorful text, photos, logos, or full-fledged sign-offs, if the email is from the CEO or other senior company representatives. Choose appropriate fonts for your business email signature. Fonts of your choice should align with your overall business brand book and be readable both on desktop and mobile. This and many other tips, as well as free templates for email signatures, you can find in our special article on the blog. Click on the link in the description to read the full guide and upgrade your email marketing game.